Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in politics, business, and various professional fields. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as incumbent, incumbent, bunt, incumbent. It refers to someone who currently holds a specific position or office, often used to describe individuals during elections or job transitions. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about incumbent, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.